Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to pay your Citibank credit card bills through the Access Bank. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Citibank website. So what we're going to do is go to citi.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, it's going to look like this. This is going to be the main page of Citibank from where we can get started. Here we can access everything we need, but first thing we need to do is to log in. So you want to go ahead and log into your Citibank account. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is activate one if you're already part of a bank. If not, you can go and register for one. So go ahead and log into your account, and once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the dashboard from where you can get started with accessing your balance, your payment issues, and so on. And now we can get started paying our credit card bills. So what we're going to do is be using the fast method and the fast option. And what is that? Well, as you can see right here on this official article of Citibank, we have the fast option for paying your credit card bills, where you can pay your Citibank credit card and ready credit bills from your non-Citibank account almost instantly via the fast option right here, which is fast and secure transfers. So you're going to be using this section right here. If you click learn more, it's going to take you to the next page from where you can go and take a look at all the steps that you need. So what you're going to do is go to the Access Bank official website as well and log in. If you're on your mobile phone, just use it from the application directly, and once you're logged into your account, you can get started with using the payment section. So go ahead and open up the payment section from where you can get started with the fast option. So you're going to go ahead and have all the steps right here of how you're going to go ahead and be opening up your application of the different banks such as Access Bank, and then you can get started making payments for your credit card bill by issuing all the information from your credit card bill, such as the routing number, due amount paid, and so on, and then you can get started paying it. It's as easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.